Hi everyone, this is the third part and last part for the tutorial on lab 3. We need to do the title block, so we need to go to the paper space tab. Make sure you're on paper space and start drawing. The lab tells you the dimensions required for the title block, which is 10.8 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and the text fields have a dimension of 8 centimeters. So I need to go back to the drawing, rectangle command. Again, make sure you're on paper space, rectangle command. I'll pick up this corner. I need to define the opposite corner. Of course, I need to go back either to layer 0, or I can create another layer, call it title block. So let's go back here and then create another layer, and let's call it title block, and hover away, let it go, and make it current. Make sure that the viewport is also part of the title block, because it forms part of it, because we need it to print. So again, rectangle command, start from this, and then we'll say at -1080, comma 500. Okay, 108 actually, not 1080, because it's not 1 meter. Right, I need 108 comma 50. Okay, and the fields are 80 centimeters, so I'm going to put a temporary line. Okay, and let's make it red. Temporary line from this end, and then at -80, comma 0. Right, and now let's go back to the title block layer by layer, and then line from this end to the perpendicular. And now I could get rid of this line. How many fields do I have? Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means, and this is 5 centimeters. So each one of these is 1.25 centimeters wide. So let's, in fact, instead of deleting that line, we're just going to leave it there, and we're going to move it first. Move this spacebar from this end at 0, comma -1.25, actually 1.25 centimeters, so it should be 12.5, and then we're going to copy it, spacebar from this end at 0, comma -12.5, and then at 0, comma -25.25, exactly 12.5 times 2, and these are the 4 fields, 1, 2, and 3, and let's say this is by layer. Now I've got everything I need. Let's do the title. So text from here to there, and say title. And of course it's a little bit too cramped, so let's move it a little bit down, and then you can do the other ones in a similar fashion. Let's see how to insert the logo. So make sure you have the insert tab, and if you don't, right click anywhere in the empty space and go show tabs. Make sure this is checked. So once it is checked, go to the insert and say attach, and go to the location where the icon is, and let's place it in. We'll just say OK, and let's place it. Notice it has a default factor of 1, so just press enter, and there it is. A little bit too big, so we're going to do a little bit of adjustment. So let's place this, let's move it, go back to the home tab, move from this corner to this corner, and then let's scale it to there and keep scaling it down. Okay, so I need to make this maybe to there. Okay, that's a little bit too big, so let's bring it down there. Okay, what I'm going to do is again, let's pick it from here, and there it is. That's better. You see I have a double line here when you adjust it like that. And essentially just enter, of course, title for this drawing, Lab 3, EG1230, Winter 15, and then drawn by your name, revision number 0 or number 1. Scale is 1 to 100, and date is your submission date. And that's about it. Therefore, now we have the entire lab as instructed. Good luck and do well.